Hey guys, welcome back to 100 Days of Java. Yesterday we taught Java how to make decisions with if else. But let me ask you this. What if you don't just want numbers or true or false? What if you want words, names, sentences? That's where strings come in. So what is a string? In Java, a string is basically a text inside double quotes. Example, string name equal to Tony Stark in double quotes. Here Tony Stark is a string. Think of it as numbers are calculator language and strings are human language. In strings, there are a few things we need to know. One, concatenation. Concatenation is joining two or more strings together. Example, string first name equal to Tony, string last name equal to Stark, string full name equal to concatenation of first name and last name. And print full name. And the output will be full name is Tony Stark. It's like mixing Lego blocks. You can join any number of pieces as one piece. 2. Numbers and strings. Here's a funny thing. Strings can hold numbers as text. Example, string age equal to 10. System.out.println I am plus age plus year old. And the output will be I am 10-year-old. But wait, 10 here is text, not math. If you try to add numbers, system.out.println 10 plus 20 equal to plus 10 plus 20. And the output will be 10 plus 20 equal to 1020. Why? Because Java is treating 10 and 20 as text, not numbers. If you want real math, you need parentheses. System.out.println in double quotes 10 plus 20 equal to plus in parentheses 10 plus 20. And the output will be 10 plus 20 equal to 30. 3. Special characters. What if you want to include quotes or new line inside a string? That's where escape characters come in. /n is new line, /t is new tab, and /double quote adds quotes inside text. Example, system.out.println hello /n world, system.out.println he said I am man / and the output will be hello in one line, world in one line, and he said Iron Man in double quotes. Let's create a simple chat message where Tony says meet me at Avengers Tower at 5 p.m. It looks like a chat message, right? WhatsApp or Discord uses strings everywhere for this.